cold because we are going camping when it's the record cold. And Mama has to go sit in her camper in her boots on. It's not that cold, but my feet get cold. But of course, this little boy thinks everything is here for his amusement. And these guys decided, oh yeah, we're going to snuggle up with Mama. Huh, Henry? Are you snuggling with Maminga? What's you doing? What are you doing? I forgot to speak English. I forgot to speak English. What are you doing, Bruno? You just being handsome? And Henry, you just snuggling up and being warm with your Maminga? Yes. And Monsty, Blackie, Rooney. Like, okay. She says those boys are good up here. Maybe I should go up there. When you go up there, you're in trouble. Come here. Come here. Come on this way. Come. We'll play here. I'll play with you. You need your playtime. Yes, you need your little playtime. So he needs a little bit playtime. So he comes down. I shouldn't be giving him Henry's tiger. Let's go play with that while Mama trying to put her shoes on. He made it up here. And of course, he is in trouble. You can step on Henry. Yeah, I know. You just want to be closest to the mom, do you? We'll go snuggle here in a minute. Yeah, it's cold outside. So we're hanging in the RV and we're watching ourselves. The dad has to catch up on some of the videos. This is Henry. This is Bruno. And he's in the cage. He went in the cage. Now he's staying warm and he's just hanging out. And yeah, not much to do when it is that cold. Yes. Oh my goodness, what was that? Are you guys watching doggies yourself on the video? It's jumpy leaving video. Oh, I gotta entertain the dogs somehow. Oh, what is it? What you see over there? What you see over there? Yeah, that's what you see over there? What do you see over there? Oh, what is it? Which dog is over there? Randy, what is that? Rooney, what you doing? I know. You jumped down. You were up here. You jumped down. I can't help you. Oh, even Rooney. Oh, Rooney is trying to get back up here. Up there. He made it. You made it. They have a little fenced area for dogs here in the RV park. And we'll take them out. And pretty much the warmest time of day. It's not as windy, so it's about 19, 20. And that's okay. They can do with that. If it gets a little colder, but it's short time, but while it is like that, they can stretch their legs and run a little and get some sniffs in from the dogs visiting the RV park. Yeah, there's an RV park right here. So the corner over there must smell really good. The boys have the right idea. Just snuggling up and relax and do nothing.